Alright, so review from last week. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 7 and 8, 9, and 10. Okay, that's all I'm doing right there, 9 and 10. Now I'm ready for side pass. 1, 2. Okay? And then today we had two versions of this check thing. First, the open hand, wrap her up, catch you here, flip her the second time. Third time, do a hand change, go across, catch with the right hand. Okay, then the second version was 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody.